Hi guys, welcome to this channel. This is my first video. I'm a bit nervous. My voice isn't that good, I don't know. So today we shall be making a candle holder using cement as well as a jewelry tray. So for this project, what you'll need a pair of gloves, you need a face mask, you need a measuring cup so that you can measure your water as well as your cement. Then you need cooking oil. I'm using Mokwano cooking oil. Then I'm using you also need a sponge, but I had to be creative because I couldn't find a sponge in it, so I'm using a beauty blender. Then you need 2 cups of water as well as 4 cups of cement. And not to forget, you need plastic containers. I got this from Kikuubo. There were a couple that I got. So the containers retail between 500 to 3,000. The first thing that we are going to do, we are going to oil our plastic containers. You dip the sponge into the cooking oil, and this is what you do, such that when the cement molds,
it's very easy to remove the mold. To tap it easily, otherwise it's a bit hard. So this makes the process much easier. For all the containers that you're using, you do the same. So you apply some oil to this as well. Immerse it into the concrete. So
after that, the next step is mixing the concrete. So here we have 4 cups of this is cement. 4 cups of cement, and I think 1 kilogram of cement at the hardware store retails for 1,000. Yeah. So for these small projects, you can go and buy yourself, let's say 2 kilograms, whichever, depending on the project that you're doing. So here we're going to mix in our water, just a little. These are 2 cups of water and these are 4 cups of cement. So the ratio is 2 to 1. Yeah, it's 2 to 1.
So you pour this like that, and then you put it in, level it up like so, and then put it so that it can release the air bubbles. So for the inner mold, this is going to go right here in the middle, going to go right here in the middle, and then for the candle, this will go right there.
So guys, after pouring in your mixture into the plastic containers, you're going to let this cure for 36 hours. That is 1.5 days. Yeah. After 36 hours, the mold is ready, as you can see, and it's ready to be removed from the plastic containers. So here we go. Remember, you have to be careful. So you tap it a bit on the side, like so. Oh. And right now, the next step is sanding, and you need sanding paper. We're going to smoothen out the edges, any rough edges, as you can see around here. Yeah. So you need a sanding paper. This is what you do. So guys, to remove the excess dust after sanding, you're going to use a damp cloth and wipe. Hi guys, this is the final reveal. Hope you've enjoyed this DIY project. It's very easy, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye.